Hey everybody, welcome back to the weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Thanks for joining us as always. So there's not too much on the agenda this weekend. It's actually a free weekend that we have, and it's gonna give us some time to button up the RV. Well, not really, but we had recently lost those awning caps up there. On each side actually.
It's currently being held on by some painter's tape.
Yeah, so we found, where did we find this again? Through some kind of RV website supply?
Yeah, so I had to go through like a bunch of different websites in order to find like a site that actually has both of them at the same time.
So we didn't lose the back, just the front, right?
Right.
And the same thing on the other side as well.
Yeah, so I might have nicked a tree or something. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace both ends, and then we're gonna go ahead and put some. I don't have any other silicone, so we're gonna just use gasket maker. Just so that it stays on tight this time around. Right. So we're gonna.
I think it just clips on.
Mm-hmm. So I think it's held on. It's held on by like these two tabs
yeah,
here.
So I can see how it was easily fell off. I mean, when you're on the road, you get a lot of road ride vibrations, and eventually these things kind of give way. So with the silicone, we're gonna hope that gives it a little bit more security. But let's see. Yeah, the other side over here. Yeah, the front cap missing as well. So we opened it up. We also cleaned the awning a little bit. What'd you do, like pressure wash it or what?
Yeah, I just foam canned it, let it sit for a little bit, and pressure wash it.
Yeah, so not much on the agenda today. We just want to get these covers all covered up.
So, I believe it's just held on by four screws. They're Phillips.
Well, and that's funny, and ours fell off, so ours wasn't held on by screws. It was just.
Oh no! So the backside.
Oh, that's why the backside's still on.
Yeah, so the backside is held on by screws, and then the front is just held on by these two wedges right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of RTV on these four tabs, and then hopefully that will hold it.
Oh, cool! Yeah, we got the scaffold out, the ladder out, and we'll get up there. We did check to make sure the front cover fits, and the front cover is right here.
Yeah.
So it is a match. I'll post the site up if anybody has ever ran into this situation, so you guys can check the site out.
Yeah.
It's not on Amazon or anything.
They do have it on Amazon, but they only had one set.
Oh.
So I was trying to find a place that had both, so it was more convenient to just get both at the same time, rather than trying to get two different sites.
Oh yeah, so that's what we got on the schedule for this weekend, and then what is it? Next weekend we're gonna do a tent camping trip.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a tent. I'm really excited for that, by the way.
Try to take the dogs out. We're trying to take advantage of this, this June bloom, whatever June is, this weather.
June bloom?
Trying to take advantage while, it's not hot out. We're gonna try to take the dogs camping with us. It's gonna be their first time in a tent. They're spoiled rotten. I don't think they've ever seen a tent before. Always been in the RV.
They're gonna be like, what is this thing? Why does it make noise?
And again, and we're gonna go to Lake Paris again. One of the reasons why we're tent camping it's just one night. It's just towing the RV and the boat to the campsites there. It's really tight. You would have to buy 2 campsites, so it's kind of just wasting some money. So we have a tent set up.
And plus, we don't mind.
It's just gonna be one night.
Yeah.
It's gonna be one night.
Or pick up an air mattress or something.
Yeah, because we slept on cots, but lately I just haven't been able to be comfortable sleeping. So we're gonna probably pick up an air mattress or something like that.
Yeah, we're gonna want Casey to be as comfortable as possible.
Yeah, and see how the camping trip goes. Because then I definitely want to plan another Havasu tent camp trip with the boat. But we'll see how that goes.
Before you pop?
Yeah. We'll see how that. Well, I have all summer.
I think she can do it.
Yeah, we have all summer to plan camping and all that stuff. But yeah, let's get this done today. And that's pretty much it for the agenda. Yeah.
Yeah, a little quick, easy install.
Yeah.
We'll help anybody who actually lose a cap, or for the next person, just some tips and ideas that what we're gonna do.
Yeah, so let's hop up there. All right, let's start by taking this tape off.
I'm surprised the tape hasn't disintegrated. We had it on here since the mid 400.
Oh yeah, I mean we haven't. The sun hasn't really been beating, so we're getting on this at a good time.
Oh, I had time to actually wax this half of the RV too.
So what are these screws called? These square ones? These keys?
I don't know.
What kind of keys?
Let's see if Phillips will work.
Oh, okay, Phillips does the job. It's cold.
Just a little bit.
Well, if we pick up any more wind, this thing's gonna auto retract.
All right, that means we gotta.
That
means I gotta work faster. So it's not too simple. I mean, it's not too complicated. Oh wait, so okay, so we just gotta be careful with this module. I think this is a relay. All right.
So it comes with new screws and that little bushing.
A little bump stop.
Yeah.
So that little bump stop later on, I think I'm gonna put a little cylinder guide. You see the marking on the end of the RV right there? Where the arm sits.
Oh, that's where it bumps?
So I was thinking about maybe putting like a little cylinder so the bump stop could go right into it.
Oh, so it doesn't hit the RV? Obviously?
Right. So that way there's no vibration while we're going down the road, especially when we do a lot of off-road.
Yeah. Lexi.
Are you trying to help? Okay. So let's do the easy stuff first. These little tiny ones. So let's go put these in. So I had to do so much research just to find this. So me being lazy, I didn't want to come up here and look for the part number. So I basically had to go through a bunch of forums.
Literally, it's right there.
Well, I only noticed it because I just saw it right now.
You probably just check the...
so basically what I had to do is I had to
go to
Google search.
ecarefree.com.
And I believe this one's a long latitude. It's a latitude. So they have a latitude and an altitude. So you gotta be careful between the two. I was thinking about putting some Loctite on this, but you know, I think
well, the back was fine. It was just that front.
Yeah, we'll just hand tighten it. I think we'll be fine.
Get the little bump stop.
It feels like it's been a long time since we've touched the RV, huh?
Well, eventually we're gonna dig into it, or maybe just rearrange stuff around inside. So next year we can. Next year will be another Weekend Warrior is gonna be joining us.
Oh yeah. Dude, I'm so excited. I'm like basically just playing it through my head, what we're gonna do in the future. We're gonna have so much content coming. And we're gonna just basically, I think at the end of the day, it's all about preparation. So we're just exploring and practicing now. Sweet. Alright, so we gotta, should you snap it on first, or you're just gonna go right on and put the RTV on? Yeah, I think we could just, because
well, it's gonna fit. No, just put the RTV in, because that's it, right?
Yeah, I believe so. So let's just
put like a little dab.
I'll just put it at the top, so it just seals it.
I think the top should just be enough, right?
Yeah, and then maybe
a little bit on the bottom. Hurry up, the wind's blowing it.
Oh, Jordy. Oh, nice. We go back and forth. This is gonna be the best sounder here. Sick.
And
all right, that looks good.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right,
you know, I'm really happy that it came as a complete set. Because it looks more
it's not
unison.
Discolored and
right.
All right, cool. Let's get to the other side. Move everything over. And that's pretty much it. We didn't really have anything major to do today. But yeah, eventually we'll tackle
Let's go
on you know, some other things and rearrange some more stuff in the RV. Ugh.
I think every RV owner should have this scaffold right here.
Yeah.
So super convenient.
Alright, same thing. Let's take off the back plate. And this side doesn't have any wires, so it's not going to be complicated or anything like that. It's just as simple as unscrewing and screwing them back on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's like a safety.
So our next trip with the RV is going to be in like a couple of weeks.
About 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, oopsie.
That's fine. We don't need it anyway.
It's nicely. Oh, no.
Oh, it stayed.
Now our RV looks complete. This kind of eyesore is just having that blue painter's tape just hanging there. Okay, last one. All right. Let's go ahead and put some RTV on this baby. Okay. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Click.
Sweet, that's it.
Sweet. Just a little wiggle wiggle.
Then,
Nice.
I guess let's roll it in and
Yeah. So let's roll it in, test it out.
alright, let me get down. Alright, let's roll her up.
Retracting. Looks good, nice and clean. We had so many bugs on there.
Oh yeah.
I think it was from the lower river last year.
Probably.
All the bugs were there, and then I ended up rolling it in, taking it out, and then it was just squeezing the bugs. Yeah. Looks like the tension is still holding up fine, huh?
Yeah. Nice.
Then if you guys do have awning, these awnings do have adjustments, and we do have a video on that.
Yeah.
So check out our other link for that.
I'll post that up in this video. Yeah, that's
Cool.
it. So yeah, guys, that was it. Pretty quick install fix. I'll put the part numbers or the site that we bought it from. Other than that, that's it. I mean, it's a quick weekend. We're gonna head back out. We're gonna try to get some more trips in for the summer season. But that's
As much
all,
as possible.
Yeah, but that's all for this weekend. Thanks for joining us as always, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey, hope you guys had a great weekend. We'll see ya.
Bye guys.